My dear students of Standard 10, welcome you all to my today's class. Hope that you all are fine, safe and sound at your home at the present situation by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today, I am here to discuss the concept of militant and militancy with you. Let's know what is militant. The English word militant comes from the Latin word military, which means working as a soldier. But here, militant is a person who loves war and is aggressive, hostile and destroyer. In order to fulfill their objectives, they use any extreme and hostile method of any kind so as to form any political concept. So, militant loves war and is violent. They have the ill motive or ill will to destroy something. Militant works collectively by means of hostility or aggressiveness, getting support from any established organization which is not approved by the state or society. Now we will know the characteristics of militant. A militant do the destructive activity individually or in a group. They want to establish their political and religious concept and philosophy made by their organization. They engage themselves in different types of destructive works like giving and taking money, making plan and execute them. Sometimes they take part in murdering using different types of modern deadly weapons. They use bomb, landmines like this. Don't abide by the existing law against ideas, values of the state or society. They only follow their law, idea, philosophy and value which is provided by their organization. Engage themselves in hijacking aeroplane too. And we know by hijacking aeroplane, they took the part in destruction of Twin Tower. So, from the above discussion, we come to a point, the militancy. What is militancy? Any policy contrary to the policy of the state or society is their policy, and the concepts, ideas and activities formed and published by the militants are called militancy. So, in many cases, they prepare the militants, secret military training is conducted for them and they have secret connections and communications all around the world. Now we will know the causes of militancy. A person may become a militant because of his misconception of life and world. According to the statistics, we know that all over the world, 87% of young persons get involved in militancy. So, they have not that much clear idea about their life and the world because the age range is very limited, 20 to 25 years. Ignorance of proper religious knowledge. They have no proper or adequate religious knowledge. Matters related to the interest between groups or intra-groups. The craziness among the militants may be created through the spirit of the particular group to realize any political or religious rights and interest of any special community or groups. Now, we will see a picture. Can you tell me what is this? This is the World Trade Center. The original World Trade Center in Lower Manhattan, New York City. This was destroyed during the terrorist attacks of September 11, 2001 after being struck by two hijacked commercial airlines. Now we will know this picture shows you the airways which attacked the North Tower at 8:46 a.m. Eastern Time. And after this destruction, what happened in Twin Tower City. Now, we will see one video. Now, the cause of destruction of the Twin Tower in the USA was due to militancy. They not only took the part in the destruction of Twin Tower, but also in the year 2016, 1st July, they also attacked the Holy Artisan Bakery at Gulshan, Dhaka. This is the Holy Artisan Bakery, and maximum foreigners used to go over there for taking the delicious bakery items. They were 5 in numbers. It was an extremely heinous act, and they were brutally attacked with the sharp weapons. 20 people, most of them foreigners, have been killed in an attack on a cafe in Bangladesh and claimed by so-called Islamic State. Though the attack was claimed by the IS group, but Bangladesh disputed this, instead holding a local militant group responsible. After the destruction, what is the scenario of the Holy Artisan? And they killed 20 people on that night. So let's know destructions done by the militants. Destruction of the Twin Tower in the USA in the year September 11, 2001. Another destruction in the Holy Artisan Bakery, Bangladesh, in the year 1st July 2016. And they also murdered peace-loving people through bomb explosion at the program of the Udiji Shilpi Goshti in Jashore, and on the Pohela Boishakh Bengali New Year celebration at Ramna Bottomul in Dhaka. Now we will know the impacts of militancy. The impact of militant activities is acute and serious on our life in the society and at the state level. Such activities of militancy may hinder the development activities of a country, may create various adverse situations in our socio-economic, political and cultural life. The normal flow of life become non-functional. The militant activity killed thousands of people and destroyed a huge amount of property. And these militants are also a threat for their own family. In many cases, a massive destruction is caused of people, dwellings and neighbors by the explosion of bombs kept by the militant. Now, look at the prevention. Basically, we know militants don't have any sound family life. They are considered as criminals in the eyes of state, society and family. Sometimes their family and society cast hateful eyes over them. So, the prevention measures we have to know. All the family members must be vigilant about their children's behaviors, works and deeds. That means the parents and the elderly persons of the family watch over their children's behavior, works and deeds, their friends and associates also. A forceful social movement is required for the massive prevention of militancy. So, unified effort is needed. Community should be mobilized properly to provide correct interpretation or any political and religious concept. Religious institutions may arrange discussion program to make people aware about militancy. The militant can be brought to a normal life by giving special training to lead a sound family and social life. So the students, you will always be very much careful about your friends and associates, and always think that what is beneficial for your life and for your future. Thank you all. Stay safe, stay blessed at your home.